Alright, this video is about these 3M Worktunes ear defenders that I picked up. I got these at online on Amazon for $62, free shipping. I saw them in a store, they were 80 bucks. And I was like, oh, I want to get a set of those. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube wearing something similar when they're cutting wood, running tractors, or any kind of equipment. I'm always doing something that's loud, splitting wood, running a chainsaw, driving tractors, something always where you should be wearing hearing protection, shooting guns. So I've seen a lot of people wearing something similar on their channels, and I've wanted to get a set of these. So I found them on Amazon for $62, free shipping, and I'm very pleased with them. I've been using them for a few days now, probably about a week now, and when my saw's running, it almost is like a little bit dangerous, because when the saw's running at idle, and I have these on, I can't really tell that the saw is running at idle except for the vibration in my hands. You can't really, with the music playing in your ears, you really can't tell that the saw's running. So they have, basically how they're set up is a power button here. You gotta wear them this way. Power button on the back, you push it in, hold it for 2 seconds, and there's a lady's voice that talks to you. It says power on. If you hold it for another 2 seconds, it says power off. If you leave them on for more than 2 hours, they shut off on their own. They'll do a countdown, and then if you want to keep listening to them, you just turn the knob and they won't auto shut off, but just to save batteries. The batteries on this side here takes 2 AA's, or they also make a power pack that you can plug in and recharge them. I'm just using the AA's, the 2 AA's, and I'm probably going on close to 4 hours of use with these, and I haven't gotten the low battery message yet. So I didn't know how long 2 AA's would last. That was what I was kind of worried about, but I think it's going to be pretty good, because I've got 4 hours of use out of them and no low battery yet. They have the AM, FM, that's what this little antenna's for, and it picks up real good. You can tune with this knob. You can tune through the channels. If you push the center part of it, it does an auto seek. It'll seek to the next channel, and you can seek through the channels that way. If you find a channel you like, you hold this function button in, hold it in for 2 seconds, and it'll tell you channel stored. And then if you decide you don't want that channel anymore, you hold it in for 2 seconds and it'll say channel deleted. If you store multiple channels, once you hold that function button in, it'll bring up your stored channels, and then you can scroll through your channels that you stored with this knob. And then there's a source button. The source button basically it changes. There's like rock. There's 3 different types of music or audio modes, like rock and dance. I don't remember what they are, but there's 3 functions where you can change the sound of your music. They work really good. The volume doesn't get super loud when you turn the volume all the way up. It's kind of regulated, I think, so at a safe decibel, so it doesn't hurt your hearing. But it's loud enough when you have them on and you're running a saw. The music's fine. I mean, it's not too low. If it let you turn it up louder, I probably would turn it up louder, but it's not needed. So yeah, with running a saw, you got these on, it works perfect. These are also Bluetooth, so they're wireless. They make a wired version also. I wouldn't like that. Nobody wants wired stuff anymore. So wireless, they get the Bluetooth setting. There's a little Bluetooth light right here. It turns on blue, and you can pair your phone up with it. It says 25-foot range, but I usually have it in my pocket. That works the best. I haven't tested that range out, but I haven't had it cut out on me. What else? It's pretty comfortable. They make a gel. I didn't get the gel ones, but they also have the gel pads for your ears, around your ears. Lastly, it takes phone calls. That's what I really like. If you have these on, you're cutting and your phone starts ringing. It rings, the ringtone rings in your ear defenders. The music cuts out and it starts ringing in there. You can, I think, hit function. No, yeah. Function, I believe, there's only 2 buttons, but the function button, I believe, ends the call if you don't want to take it and your music comes back on. Or you can push this button right here in the center around the tuner or inside of the tuner. You push that and you'll take the call. There's a microphone right here, and you can talk. I've tried it out and it works pretty good. Like, because I wanted to see if somebody on the other side had problems hearing me, or if they weren't that good. They could hear me fine, and you hear it inside the ear defenders. You can kill your saw and take the call without having to take them off and get your phone out of your pocket. So that's great. I really enjoy that feature. They're adjustable. These slide up and down about an inch on each side of adjustment, and it's got a little bit of a pad in the top. It's not like super cushiony, but it's not bad. I've worn them for a couple hours, no problem, no discomfort. But yeah, I really like these. They're made by 3M and they're Bluetooth. They also have a, when you open this port up, you can plug in an aux device if you want to listen to, if you want to plug it. I don't know why you would want to, but if you hadn't wanted to plug it into your phone and not use Bluetooth, you have that capability, but I don't know why anybody would do that. And it has a micro USB right here for, I guess if you get the battery pack, it'll charge it. You plug your micro USB in there and it'll charge that battery pack up. But I have no real use for either of those right now. I might get the battery pack. I don't know what it costs. I didn't even look at it because the AA's last, like, I haven't killed a set yet, and I've had about 3 to 4 hours on these. So I will look and see what that battery pack costs though, and see if it's worth it. But just another thing that I have to charge. I like just being able to throw in the batteries and good to go. But other than that, yeah, the 3M Bluetooth ear defenders, they work great. I believe they advertise muffle down to muffle anything over 82 decibels or down to 82 decibels is what they advertise. But very, very nice for $62, free shipping on Amazon. I'm pretty pleased with them. So I'm glad I came across this product and just wanted to share it with you guys because maybe you're in the market for something similar, and these would be a good one to get. All right, no affiliation. They're not giving them to me. I bought these, but thanks for watching. Please subscribe.